Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here, we will provide JOOWIN Wi-Fi Extender setup and installation guide. Let's get started. First, unbox the JOOWIN Wi-Fi Extender device and plug it into a power outlet or wall socket. Turn on the extender using the side button. The lights will start blinking and you have to wait for 30 seconds. Connect your smartphone or computer to the JOOWIN Wi-Fi network. The JOOWIN Wi-Fi network name must be JOOWIN_XXX_2G or JOOWIN_XXX_5G. Open a web browser and type 192.168.10.1 in the web address bar. Now you will redirected the JOOWIN Extender login interface. Enter the password here and click the Set Password. The default password is admin. Now you are redirected to the JOOWIN Extender home dashboard. Here select the repeater option. It now scans for Wi-Fi in nearby locations. Here you have to select the Wi-Fi you want to extend. After selection, type the security key of the router Wi-Fi. Then simply select the Connect button. Click on Save Settings. Congratulations! Your JOOWIN Wi-Fi Extender setup is completed. If you have any doubt or question about JOOWIN Wi-Fi Extender configuration, then contact or visit us on apsetup.info.